You guys will wait for your classmates for 2 minutes. Then we'll start the session for this evening. Okay, good evening, guys. So we're going to um, discuss about uh, Windows operating system. Okay, this is on your module 4, chapter 4, and lesson 4 of your module. This is about Windows operating system, no? So our objective for tonight is to discuss the importance of an operating system as a platform, value the importance of an operating system used as a platform, and understand the basic concepts and structures of an operating systems used as a platform. So we have the version control system for Windows. But before that, guys, let me give you background on Windows operating system. So because Microsoft Windows, or you refer to as Windows, is a group of several proprietary graphical operating system families. So proprietary means may bayad, no? So all of which are developed and marketed by Microsoft. So each family caters to the certain sector of computing industry. Like for example, active Microsoft Windows family, like Windows NT and Windows IoT, no? So these are encompassed subfamilies. We have the Windows Server or the Windows Embedded Compact and the Windows CE. Then the defunct Microsoft Windows families include Windows 9X, Windows Mobile, and Windows Phone. Pero I think ang Windows Mobile kag ang Windows Phone, though wide na sila subong. They are obsolete na. So Microsoft introduced an operating system named Windows on November 20, 1985. So I was 5 years old at that time, no? So as the graphical operating system shell called MS-DOS. Actually na abtan ko pa dayang DOS nga daya, MS-DOS. Karang una, what we have is the diskette and the floppy drive. So ang floppy drive is though 5 by 5 inches no mo do hanggod do mo kadyaw do slip kagi na so nga pwede mo mapanguyab. So that is Windows pa na wala pa sa GUI or the graphical user interface. Nagka GUI lang pag Windows 3.11 na. So that was 1994 kung 1994 kung hindi ko magsala. Kagi pa kami gamit kada guys. So Microsoft came to dominate the world's personal computer or the PC with over 90% market share, taking over Macintosh or the Mac OS. While Microsoft has in 2020 lost its dominance to consumer operating system market, but with Windows down to 30%, Apple subsequently overtake the desktop market share by 65% in the US alone and 32% globally. 77% globally. So dual lang na sila guys. Actually, you can have your Mac OS and then your Windows. Pero nowadays, you still have your Linux pa. If you don't, just because Windows is proprietary means nga you need to pay, mabayad. Unlike Linux nga wala siya bayad. Pero sa pagka-user interface na, I think sulit ibayad sa Windows because mas mahapos siya gamiton compare sa Linux or sa Mac OS. So the recent version of Windows is for PC and tablet is the version 20H2. Actually, bago lang dyan guys nag-update. The one drawback of the update is that you will notice na nag-hang up yung computer ninyo. Kaya ginahungod yung crash. Nga i-crash yung computer nyo, blue screen error, blue screen of death nga error. Pagkatapos guys, ma-reset liwat. So gina-collected ka Microsoft ang pattern. Kag ang crash test dat pagtawag nanda. So as of October, the specialized version of Windows. Pero mahapos mo nanda kaya doon, what we're going to do is to update lang yung computer ninyo. So a specialized version of Windows also runs on Xbox and other video game console. So amo da nga gid Windows kay pwede ka mo hampang sa Windows because of the ActiveX no. Sa Linux wala et amo kada. Although may dayan man nga gaming from Linux where it's very crude guys, and I think it's the video card nowadays has support also for Linuxes, pero mas manami gyapon ta nang gamiton niya Windows gid. Okay, let's go to the version control. So the version control system is the first thing that you will find. It is founded in 2017 that it will use the GitHub is an open source version control system, and it is incorporated with Linux. So because Linus Torvalds is the founder of Linux, and he collaborated with Microsoft on that development. So the reason for that is so that the Microsoft can gain a niche of the market for the upcoming operating system race, and Linux to be mainstream. Kaya ang Linux though hindi siya mainstream gawa. So ang kalabanan gyapon sa Microsoft. Pero nowadays your Windows actually in the new version or in the new version of Windows, what happens is pwede ka mo sa telephone, sa Android phone. So the application and the Android phone can be run into your Windows settings. So actually I have not tried it yet. Why ko pa siya pero the one thing that I can use is the Messenger for na ang ko is Messenger. Kaya ang Messenger embed siya sa Facebook naton. And then sa browser ko lang siya ginparan. Pero nami ang quality niya guys. Pag katawag. So nami ang quality niya and that is one integration application of your Windows into other operating system. Just like your Android operating system. Okay, so for the sales of devices, so the times of releases of the version control, this one, ang bago ko lang ang discuss is this, the time of releases. So the time of releases is you can see sa first day ang version ka Windows hasta nga nag-add to sa NT sa MA. Ang naabtan ko is this one guys, so ang 3.11 nga Windows. Ang pagsunod nga dayon ang startup menu. Why siya startup menu ang 3.11? Nag-umpisa siya sa Windows 95. So pagkatapos Windows 98. So uptan pa dyan Windows ME. Windows XP gid. Windows ME nakagamit man ako. Hasta nga nag-Vista kag ang nag-Windows 7. Tapos Windows 8 and Windows 10. So you will may be asking why is it that there's no Windows 9? Because Windows 9 is codenamed as Redstone, but Redstone become hindi siya bagay sa sa PC na ang target nanda sa lagi nila projection abi ka Microsoft mo. Sometimes ang research ninyo bilang nagasala man, ang projection nanda is the future of computing is tablets. Pero hindi kali guys, the future of computing is cell phones. So na-miss nanda. Ano pa, you will notice that dukaroon lang naga-compete ang Microsoft through Nokia. And then bago lang gid sila nagbalik liwat nga nag-compete sila sa mga phones kay actually the consortium between Nokia and Microsoft is for the patent lang na mabol nanda kag makahimo ka mga phones nanda. Pero ang Windows Phone nga to nagpalpak siya guys kay ang trend gali nag-add to sa Android. So the drawback however is the dependency on Android operating system or for cell phones. And that's what's happening to Huawei right now. There's a conflict between Huawei and Google because they don't provide Google services na sa mga phones nanda. Not only with Huawei siguro no, pero on any cell phone environment inside China, Google services are banned man sa gyapon. And the why lang mapektuhan ang Huawei kay ang mga Chinese wala man sila Google service. So okay lang. Ang apektado gid is ang sales nanda sa global version kung paano nanda mag-compete sa market nga sa kalibutan doon, hindi lang sa China. However, going back to our topic, so we have the time releases until today, October 2019 for and then for the Windows 8, Windows 10, NT. And then you have the 2016 version for the server and the server for 2019. Okay. Besides Windows 10, I think Windows 7 it's vulnerable to hacking na. So the support was stopped by Microsoft during last year lang, so in October. And you can still use it. However, there are some instances that you cannot do at part, especially if you're connecting to the internet. So to mitigate any situational things that will happen on your computer, so I suggest that you set a third-party firewall, or the best option is you migrate to Windows 10 already. So that's the best solution. So we have the usage, share, and device sales. I want to show this to you because you may see the older versions of Windows until Windows 10, and how are they faring with the net applications and the stat counter. For the net application, this is only the usage of everyone on the, not only in one location but all throughout worldwide. On the stat counter, however, it's being counted as one PC per one person. So amo da ay pag pag-interpret ka share usage and device sales. As you can see, the highest there is your Windows 10 because all of Windows applications are being migrated to Windows 10 already for integration. And then the plan is that though we don't have any standalone desktops anymore. However, what you're going to do is to boot to the cloud. May account na ka mo sa cloud. And I think it's not yet viable technology because ang tao na gusto na ang sa offsite man gyapon makobra other than sa cloud. Or kung sa cloud naman, I think the cloud will provide storages lang. So amo da akon nga makita pa, not in 10 years from now. So maybe in 2050 do amo kadaguro base pa lang. The problem because they cannot full swing implement this kind of setup because I think we are not ready yet for the technology. Especially nga ang number one problem naton is ang 1:1 nga count ka PC to one learner na the other one is the interconnection. So bago pa lang kita nag third telco, yung ibang tanang countries tagpulo ang nga carrier aton lead duwa lang monopolize ano pa mahal. So that's one reason nga sa mahal ni internet naton duwa lang ka company ang naga-monopolize. So kung may third player at least maganhagan ang presyo kag mahaganagan ang services nga ginaano kay diyan sanda madag-anay. It's either on the cost cost effectiveness of the bandwidth. Another is the interconnection. So those are the two things that we need to know. Although the latest data of the worldwide consortium for faster internet speeds na nabasahan ko that the Philippines from 109 ranked in the world, we are now on 83. Lumpat kita sa 83 because ang ginahimo kada ICT nga dang provide sanda kada mga free wifi kag ano. Of course, another reason is the introduction of the third telco, which is the dito. So ang dito sa ano pa lang guys, Cebu pa lang kag sa Mindanao, kung may nagabaligya ninyo SIM card ka dito nga tag 500, hindi nyo siya na pag-backloan kay wala pa na di iti service diya ka naton ka dito. So anhon mo dang tag 500 nga SIM card nga why man itlinya di ka dito kay sa natore pa di. Tay paano sa na maka-provide ka service kaninyo abi. No, anuan ko na encounter ko one post abi nga mo da nga may kabaligya ka dito nga SIM card hindi nyo pag-backloan, especially mahal-mahal siya. Yung SIM card nga ginabaligya tag 40 pesos lang gani. So you think first before you buy anything, no, coming from persons nga durong daan man tutulad. So just be vigilant enough to ano. So kung baligyan na ka 500 nga SIM card ni mo ti din ya libre ko nga antena kata dito diin. wala pa dito di gani maskin siya tore da gani wala pa di antena ang ano pananda. So hindi ka manay magadali gid no nga mag-ano ka dito kay wala pa siya naka-roll out diya sa area naton. Ginuna nanda trial ang Cebu kag ang Davao. For alternative implementations we have the Python program. And I think may nabatian ako nga parte sa Python, ang Python nga operating system. Pero I don't know kung nahimo duda or it will push through. Pero I think kung Python man siya, it will use a Chromium gyapon core. On the center, you can see there Ubuntu inside the Windows 7 logo. And then on the right side, you can see there Solaris. Solaris is a free BSD operating system. It's different from Linux. However, ang andang platform, ang core nanda medyo similar kaysa Unix na halin. Pero ang direction again tanan ni free BSD lain kumpara sa Linux. Ang Linux na ang sa example ang Ubuntu, ang Mint kagang iban pa nga Actually, may nabatian ako nga manami kung gid maggamit ka Linux. Kaya may mga man siya. Ang duman is kung paano kita magamit. So, paanad-anad mo lang da. Actually, Ubuntu can be installed with Visual Studio nga naka-embed na nga daan sa nga core. So, madali lang kita maka-install. Kada ang kinalala natin, fast internet speed, no? And then for your activity for students, what you're going to do, it's entitled Windows Update 4. What you're going to do is to update your Windows 10 laptop, and then you provide a screenshot for this. So if you have a Windows 10 laptop, and then what you're going to do is to connect it to the internet and then update it. So what you're going to do, let me demo first. Okay, so good evening guys, all 13 of you. Kay na duwa lang sanda. Si James pa lang kay na kag si Michael, no? And I'm glad that you attended our Okay, let me present to you how are you going to make your your computer update for your laptop. So actually na update ko na siya, pero I just want to demo. Okay, so first things guys is what you're going to do is you go to you go to your desktop. Okay, and then here what you're going to do is to go to your settings. After settings, you look for update and security. So this one. Then you can see optional quality update available, and then Windows update. Makita nyo may check din green. It means to say that it's good to go. What you're going to do is to download lang it. So you press this one, and it says lantawan na kung may update yung bago kung maay. Then after kada guys, hulaton nyo siya mag-download. So for now, it only checks for an update. Medyo buhay daya guys mag-check update. I think it runs several minutes. All you have to do is to be patient while doing this. And then automatically makita ninyo sa may screen ninyo nga nag-update na siya, may mga percentages. Hulaton nyo siya matapos. Preferably guys, ang inyong performance sa battery, kundi gina-save ko ni siya para mas madali ka mo ibutang nyo siya sa best performance. Okay? Okay. So, pero ako in total okay, so demo na siya. Nag-download na siya, kita nyo? Okay. So, kung mag-download, hulaton nyo siya nga update or i-force download nyo siya. So, in force downloading, i-click nyo mo lang download and install ang blue nga na cumulative update. So, automatically maano siya. Then, pwede nyo, samtang nag-ulat ka mo kadang nga download sa update niya. Minimize nyo lang and continue working on anything that you are doing. The only problem is sometimes dugay siya. So, and then may ma-alert mo lang na di kanimo din nga ng restart. And kung may madayan, i-restart nyo yung computer nyo or your laptop nyo. Then, balik liwat sa settings. Then, this one. Alantawan. Kaya this upload, downloading niya. Butang dayan, guys. Then, afterwards, medyo lang siya, restart lang yun. So, sometimes, kung nag-obra ka mo sa Microsoft Word, may type ka mo, or nag-Facebook ka mo, makita nyo, mahinay or mabuhay. So, natural lang because nag-update ang system niyo. So, lato nyo lang, guys. Anyway, it's good if you're updating your computer because you will notice that the performance of your computer will significantly increase ang speed niya. So, pero another problem is ang tawon i-check niyo ang scene niyo basi buta na siya. So, this one. So, kung gamay man lang, okay lang. Pero kung dali lang siya pamuhin ka mo ka files or niyo siya. Tawon nyo lang guys sa tutorial sa YouTube kung paano nyo i-delete ang mga files nga ay ga-apekto sa mga or bulon yung bloatware. Ang namin ko nga bloatware is ang mga diabla ang why yung ginagamit ng mga group music, mga modya. Pwede nyo dayan install pero medyo kada ka installer nga direktado lang yung pang buol ka mga bloatware. Kay masabad din man. Kung nyo, matabo is hindi nyo gusto ng mga program gin-install dun para kaninyo. So, why not pulos, no? Basta kundi i-delete nyo ang mga bloatware. Pagkatapos, kung why nyo man lang ginagamit, karmi, para nga magdasig yung computer ninyo. So, going here, okay, so wipe siya matapos. Nag-update pa. Nag-download ulit, I'm sorry. Okay, so amo lang da guys ha. Ulaton nyo lang matapos gid and then restart. While doing this, ano brown nyo? Screenshot and paste sa sa I'm sorry you cannot do this in your cell phones. Hindi pwede. Sa gid, laptop or desktop gid. Kay Windows update ni siya. Okay, so that's all. Ulaton nyo matapos na yon. Pagkatapos na restart nyo yung computer. Pagkatapos pagka-restart, good to go na. Okay, so mada. Okay, ano ko na, tapuson. Any questions guys for this topic for this evening? Tapos mo lang nyo, ma-update mo lang kamo. Kung Windows 7 ang inyong operating system, pwede man gyapon. Ano nyo lang siya. Ipa-update nyo lang and then force update. The same man sa settings. Yeah. Then Windows 8.1 pwede man. Ang Windows XP mabudlay siyang i-update nga pareho kato. Ang brown niyo is i-force update niyo siya. I-force update niyo. Okay, so amo lang da guys. Sorry why ko ka gamay la turog ko kay na. Tuyo pa ko. Questions. Questions guys for our discussion for this week. Okay, na-notice ninyo samtang naton lessons naton sa subject and amin nagahapos yung ninyo no. It's because gina-filter ko ang tanan nga pwede naton possible nga tag ang subject naton nga daya sa platform technologies testing mo lang kita ka mga platforms nga mo possible nga pwede naton nga so mo daya. Okay. I think post mo lang Hindi man mabudlay. I-ano nyo mo lang siya guys, i-update. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, may questions ka mo? James? Mike? Question?
Sir.
Okay. Post mo lang, abi mo. Chrisa, may pamangkot ikaw. Josh? SP? Kier? May pamangkot, Kier?
Why, sir?
Okay. So, post mo lang Okay, dahil lang may nag-message. Basahon natin. Okay, sige. Okay, so guys, I think you jot down your attendance na. This is one of the the fewest times that lipot lang gid ato nga session. It's okay. It's good. I know nga hapos lang gid mo, so update man lang. Kagang activity naton pwede dama pagkatapos screenshot mo lang kag So jot down your attendance guys and then you're free to go now. Okay, don't forget to place your name on the text boxes. Gay narak nun niya messages. Oh. Okay, sige. Okay, so thank you guys for attending our session for this week, and thank you for jotting down your attendances. You are free now to go. Thank you very much, Mike. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, good. Okay. Oo. Ang lang. Siopaw lang. Siopaw lang. Wala kaon ka nun.
Diet, sir?
Oo kinanglan mag-diet kid. Medyo gagutok doon niya
Wala na, sir.
Oo. Kag tsaa. Ito kinang ginainom ko tsaa.
Sir?
Hindi mo pwede nga mga pikon gabi hindi katurog.
Hindi mo katurog, sir, kakape, sir?
Oo, kung example mainom ko mga 5 or sa hapon, 4, pagkagabi kada nagturog.
Namig idla kape, sir.
Nami, good man. Ganun ko naga lang.
Ah,
Dahil kung gabi,
sige,
hindi
sir.
turog.
Good, sir.
Sige guys, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Gid. You may, kung naka-jot down na kami, you may go now. Thank you for the attending. Sige. Okay, ano ko na guys ha. I-stop ko na recording natin. Ano ko to. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, James. Ikaw, Gid, yung pinakauna kay na kag si Michael. Paul,
Okay,
thank you,
sir.
Paul. Hi, James, bye-bye. Thank you. Si John Paul sa piyak balay malanamon dayo na. SP, thank you. Good night. Thank you for attending. If you missed out on the details, guys, you just watch the replay of this. So I will put it on our GC na lang siguro. Okay? Or you read your your modules. Okay? Sige.